Hey guys, it is Kevin here, and today I have a little odd review for you. It's not my typical product, but I had a need for it, and then I was like, I'm going to share this with YouTube because it's not my typical review. So, what is it? It is a ear endoscope. Now, I did not buy this for that purpose. To me, it has multiple uses. This is the box it came in. I'll include a link down below, and you can check out the other reviews. There's surprisingly a lot of these on Amazon, so you feel free to check them out and check out other products. But the box wasn't very impressive. This is it. Pretty straightforward. I'm not trying to wow anybody with it. It also came with this lovely little short manual. And then this is the product itself. So why I got this is I had a clogged drain and I was trying to figure out where it was, and I needed something that small that could fit down and was flexible. So that's why I bought this. To my surprise, obviously you can use it for your ear, and so before I sent it down the drain, I did try to I used it in my ear, and so there'll be a little video here that's kind of showing you the inside of my eardrum. It's made to clean the inside of your ears. Now, unless you have experience with this, I would not have the guts to do this because I feel like you'd do more damage than good. So here's the little tools, and let me kind of show you what they look like here. They come in this little bag. You have a couple options. You've got this little ear scoop thingy. You get two of those, and then you got this other ear I guess this is a scoop, and other things like the little picker. And then these are the attachments. So how this works is you take off the little plastic cap here, and then you just kind of slide this on, and then this bad boy, oops, get out of the wrong order here. Then this bad boy comes in here, and then you slide this on here. This is riveting here. So there you go, and then you can all goes in your ear, and you kind of find the earwax or whatever, and then you grab it. There's a little give you an idea. You probably can't see it. There's a little itty bitty hole on the side of this thing, which is where you align. There it is. This adapter. Like I said, it's an interesting concept. I never thought about looking inside your ear, but that's what it's for. You can use it for all kinds of things. Looking in your nose. Looking at your hair, whatever. But where I used it, like I said, was looking down the drain to find a clog, which I thought was cool. So what it has a little, this is a button here. This is how you take pictures. And then it has an on-off toggle. And then over here is a little dial. So it has a bunch of 6 LED lights on the end that this adjusts the brightness. So the camera is only 1.3 megapixels, so I felt it was very, it was kind of blurry, and it wasn't very sharp. I wish it had a larger range to it, especially when it was in my ear. It was like you had to be at a certain perfect spot in order for things to be clear. Also, which was great and had no issues for my use going down the drain, the lights are very, very bright. However, for extended use, this starts to get hot. And I could see it becoming uncomfortable, especially if you're trying to get stuff out of your ears. And then this is it's just a USB adapter, and then it has this cool little piece that comes out, and then it plugs into like the bottom of your phone. So I hooked this up. If you want to hook it up to your phone, it can work with an Apple or Android. There is an app you can download. I didn't try it on my phone because my phone is USB 3, and this is the older format, but I did hook it up to my laptop, and it worked perfect. I didn't even need to download any apps. I just used Microsoft's video software, and that's basically it. So this, like I said, this is a little unique product. If you're trying to see, affordable option to kind of work around in cars or clogged drains, this is kind of a cool tool, also, or if you're into, you want to clean your own ears or something. So, like I said, click on the link below, check out the reviews. There's a bunch of these kind of things online. If you're new to my channel, I do review all kinds of products, common technology to oddities. So feel free to like this video and, of course, hit the subscribe button. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.